Gonna smoke me a fatty brisket. I got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna smoke me a fatty.
All right, we got to do some ribs here, man. Look at this. Oh. 3 bone racks. They weigh about 5 pounds each. We're going to be eating good tonight, Martha. All we got to do is get some oil. Right? Bang, bang, bang. Even on the back. Here with some of your SPG. And we're just going to take this to the smoker. All right. Let's keep this going. All right. Oh, man. Get some SPG here. I told you this is going to be real easy to do. You know? Now, if you don't have your SPG, you can use your favorite seasoning. At least get some coarse salt on there. Some black pepper. You got to have the black pepper for the beef, right? Now we're doing about 275 degrees Fahrenheit, more or less. This smoker locks it in pretty good. Oh, yeah. Get this one on. Here we go. Look at that. Oh, baby. Perfect. So, this should take about 5-6 hours. We're in no rush. We'll just kick back and watch it smoke. Yep.
Gonna mix some sauce. Grab my own delay, baby. Show you who's boss. Got my steed in my hair, baby. I don't care. Gonna burn some biscuits.
Oh. Holy. Look at that. Some dino ribs right here. Yep. Little mop sauce on here. Combination of some vinegar, maybe a little barbecue sauce, whatever you want to do to keep it moist. It's up to you. Pitmaster privilege. It's good. That's it. The Pit Boy bag. Woo! Freaking great. Thumbs up on that.
At the chicken coop. I got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna grab me some thighs at the chicken coop. Got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna throw up some legs and get some barbecue action. My stomach just went to Memphis, baby.
Can you smell that? It smells good. There are times when a good man needs some beef ribs. Nothing else will do.
That is ridiculous. I don't want a slice one. That's a meal by itself.
Are you kidding me? Oh. There we go. Tender. Oh, man. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, man. Oh, man.
Okay.
There's just no words for this, man. There's just no words, right? I mean, what are you going to do? No, I ain't apologizing.
No apologizing.
No apologizing. You do it yourself. You can have an awesome meal. And to get the recipe, head on over to our website, BBQPitBoys.com. You all know about that. Look, look. Now just watch this. Look at that. Look at that. Are you kidding? Want a little moisture, man, in your ribs? There you go. You got to check this out. Oh, wow, man.
My stomach just went to Memphis, baby.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.